BitMarkets NFT app. The pros, the cons. The BitMarkets NFT app brings NFTs to one of Australia's most popular crypto exchanges. Most people get this wrong by assuming BitMarkets only handles crypto trading, but the surprising truth is that it now supports NFT browsing, buying and storing within the app. On the pros side, BitMarkets provides a secure environment with two-factor authentication and encrypted wallets. Users can fund e-purchases from their crypto accounts, track their portfolios, and explore trending collections easily. The interface is beginner-friendly, making NFT management simple and accessible. On the con side, the marketplace is smaller than global NFT platforms with fewer collections and limited advanced features. Options like auctions, analytics, or cross-chain NFT trading are not fully supported. Transaction fees can rise during peak periods, which may impact casual collectors. In conclusion, the BitMarkets NFT app is best suited for Australian users looking for a secure and integrated NFT experience. While it may not have the variety or tools of major NFT platforms, its safety, simplicity, and convenience make it a solid choice for beginners and casual collectors.